Good morning, children. See, this is our class 5 all-in-one. In this all-in-one class 5, how many subjects are there? English, mathematics, environmental studies and general knowledge. 4 subjects together is term 1. Okay, all-in-one. So, first lesson teacher already explained Now in page number 12 and 13, here there is a textual grammar. Separate we have a grammar book. It is called Functional English Grammar and Composition, and this is our textbook all in one, term 1, unit 1. Okay, after the back of the every lesson, there will be separate some grammar points. So in this lesson, the grammar points are in page number 12 and 13. What is this grammar from our textbook lesson 1, unit 1? The sentence. Already I have told sentence. Already you have learned what is called a sentence, how to make a sentence, how to form a sentence. The group of words must arrange in a proper order. Then that will give us complete sense. Complete meaning of the sentence. Okay, and there are some rules and regulations how to form a sentence. How to form a sentence? We have to use the first one, children, capital letter, and ends the sentence with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Full stop. You are declaring the sentence. You are telling something to the others. You are declaring the sentence. Full stop and question mark. You are questioning. You are asking questions to others. Then you have to end that sentence with question mark. Exclamation mark. You are expressing sudden feelings. You are expressing sudden feelings. Those type of sentences must end with exclamation mark, children. Okay, all this and every sentence contains what, children? A verb, children. What means what? Action verb. Work. What we are doing is called a verb, children. Work. Now what I am doing? I am explaining you English textual grammar of unit 1. Isn't it page number 12 and 13? So what I am doing? I am explaining what you are doing. You are listening. You are writing. Isn't it? So do action. Action means not cinema action, children. Here work. What we are doing the work now? Work is nothing but work, children. That is called action. All action words are called verbs, children. So each sentence contains what, children? A verb. These are all the rules and regulations I have explained you in that Functional English Grammar and Composition book, isn't it? Now coming to our textbook. Page number 12 and 13. Sentence here. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence, isn't it? What is the sentence? I am going to the market, isn't it? I am going to the market. I have entered the sentence, that's all. It gives us full meaning. Okay? And next, there are how many types now? How many types of sentences, children? How many types of sentences are there in English? There are 4 types of sentences, children. How many? 4 types of sentences. What is first one? See here. Declarative. Declarative or see here. Assertive sentence. Declarative or assertive sentence. And second one is interrogative sentence. Okay, and third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. In these 2 options will be there. One is called command and one more is called request, children. I will tell you with the examples. Next, last one is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Okay? See, the sentence has how many types of sentences? Declarative or assertive. Look here carefully. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence. In these 2 options will be there. One is command. You are giving command means what? You are ordering to others. And one is request. You are requesting. And next one more is exclamatory sentence. Now See your textbook. See, there are 4 types of sentences: declarative or assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now coming to first one, a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion means what? You are telling something to others. You are declaring, I am going to the market, isn't it? She is coming to my house. We are going to my uncle's house. You are declaring. Full meaning is that you are declaring. There is no nothing, any other doubts in that sentence. You are declaring. It is called declaration. Declarative means what? Declaring. You are telling with the full meaning of the sentence. So, I am going to the shop. Today is my birthday. I am celebrating my birthday with my parents at home only. So you are declaring or assertive sentence. Okay children. Coming to interrogative sentence, there are some question words in English grammar. Why, where, what, which, where did you go, why didn't you come to school, why are you taking my pen without my permission? You are asking some questions in which whose chalk piece is this, whose textbook is this, whom do you want? These are all question words in English. So you are questioning now. It is called who, where, why, what, isn't it? These are all come under interrogative sentence. Okay, you are questioning. Coming to imperative, here 2 will be there. Command or request. Command. Go out of the classroom. You are ordering. That is command. Request. Today I forgot my pen. Please give me your pen. Please give me your book. You are requesting. That is command is to come under imperative sentence. Coming to exclamatory. Exclamation mark. What is exclamation mark? This children. Expressing sudden feeling. Shh. Don't make noise. Oh, what a beautiful flower it is. How nice your dress is, isn't it? Alas, I did not bring my book today. Please give me your book. So expressing sudden feeling is called exclamatory children. Okay, got the point now? I told you about what is called sentence, formation of sentence, types of sentences, 4 types of sentences children. Followed? Right.